going? I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make my nan's slow cooked sweet curry beef. So let's go and I'll show you how. And today in this video I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm giving away Victorinox knife that stays sharp forever. They're the best knives and I use them in my kitchen. And just watch out for my code word, and when you hear the code word, write it down in the comments below and I'll pick a winner at random. Cheers! Okay, for this recipe I have got 1 kilo of chuck steak that I'm going to roll in some flour and some curry powder. I have 1 tablespoon of curry powder and I have some flour, and I've got my chuck steak chopped up already. I'm going to roll it in a sec. And these are my other ingredients. I have 1 onion, I have 1 tomato that I have skinned and chopped up, I have 1 apple, 1 banana, 1 capsicum, I have the juice of a lemon, I also have half a cup of sultanas, 1 cup of celery, some salt and pepper, some vinegar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and I have a teaspoon of garlic and half a cup of coconut, and I have it all chopped up and ready to put in. I'm just going to roll my chuck steak in the flour and the curry powder, and then I'm going to fry it till it's brown, and then I'm going to put it all in my slow cooker and let it cook for about 7 hours. Now I'm just rolling my chuck steak in the flour and the curry powder, and then I'm going to fry it. Like so. And then I'll do the next lot. Okay, now I'm going to put it in the fryer. And I've got some frying already. Going to do a little bit at a time. And then I'm going to chuck it all in the slow cooker, ready to roll. Okay, now everything's ready. I'm going to put it all in the slow cooker and let it cook for 7 hours at least. Lemon juice, garlic, salt and pepper, and vinegar. And there you go. I'll give it a little stir and let it cook. Okay, here is the damper and the sweet curry beef with mashed potato. You can traditionally have it with rice, but I'm having mashed potato. So let's go and taste it. Now it's time to taste my sweet, slow cooked curry beef. It's so delicious and it packs a great punch, full of flavour. So I had mine with mashed potato, but you can most definitely make it with rice, and I made some damper as well. So let me just taste it. Delicious. So if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Cheers! Yum.